How to create a poll on Messenger. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in a Facebook Messenger group chat. If you ever wanted to get everyone's opinion quickly, creating a poll is super easy. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Messenger and select group chat. Make sure you have a group chat with multiple people, as polls can only be created in a group. Now, here you can find the plus icon, tap on it. Here, this will open up a menu with various options you can send. Simply click on poll. Now, look through the option. In the poll creation screen, you'll find a field where you can type your question. This is where you'll ask whatever you want feedback on. Now, under this question, you can add multiple options as well. For example, I'm gonna be asking the poll at like dinner time, and you can add options like 6 p.m., add more options, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Now I'm going to be choosing 3 only. Now after you've simply customized the poll, simply click on create poll, and there you go. This is how you simply create poll. And after that, you can also vote for your poll like this. You can choose whichever you prefer. And here, like this, you can simply create a poll in Facebook Messenger group chat. It's quick and easy way to get everyone's input.